This only takes 60 seconds. And if you repeat this 6 times, you will see your life change fast. So before you scroll away, just stop for a moment. Because what if I told you that everything you ever wanted, like the peace, the money, the healing, the clarity, the love, what if it's already within reach? Most people, like 98% of people, never unlock this. Why? Because they're stuck in a loop of overthinking, doubting, negative and emotional thought patterns, emotional patterns that are self-defeating. But what I'm about to share with you is different. This isn't something long and complicated. It takes less than 1 minute, and if you can follow it, it will start to reshape your reality fast. And I'm going to walk through a process that bypasses the mental noise. It cuts through the fear. It speeds up time itself. So real change happens faster. And it's all based off of the work of a man named Jose Silva. Someone who comes from the world of psychology, of spirituality, and he developed a technique that works so fast and it's so easy to use. Now, in the 1940s, Jose Silva, he wasn't looking for a spiritual awakening. He was just a regular guy who started experimenting with the human mind. And he was trying to help his kids learn better. And what he discovered was really by accident, and it would change the way that we understand reality. So through trial and error, he was able to guide the brain into a place where all the noise and anxiety drops away. And the subconscious mind becomes wide open and ready to receive new beliefs, new results, and new realities. And he called this the alpha and theta states. So if we just break it down, like in really simple terms, beta is the stressed out, chaotic brainwave state where your mind is constantly racing. And then just beneath that is alpha. That's like relaxed, your focused state where your intuition kicks in. Then theta is the magic zone. And that's where transformation happens. That's where your subconscious mind is open and you have direct line of communication to reprogram your subconscious and change reality itself without any resistance. But most people live and die in beta. They are stuck, they're anxious. No amount of affirmations, no amount of hard work, no amount of sleepless nights, no amount of techniques can change it if you're stuck in beta brainwave states. You need to get into theta because that's where the subconscious mind actually works. That is exactly why most of our life is programmed back in childhood. Most of our beliefs, most of our emotions, our personality, and our habits, they're programmed in early life because up to the time you're about 6 to 7 years old, you are only in a theta brainwave state. So it's like your mind is a giant cup and everything's going right into it. But you can take yourself back into that using this technique. You can rewrite your entire reality. So I'm going to walk you through how to use this technique. Now, slow your mind, quiet it down, slow your body down, get rid of the distractions, sit down, close your eyes, and just take a breath. And hold it in deeply. Feel the tensions in your shoulders relaxing. Let the day, all of your worries just fall off your shoulders. And just repeat that breathing in and out, in and out, till your body feels lighter, your eyelids feel heavier. Feel the stillness travel down your face, your neck, the muscles in your jaw relaxing, your toes, your fingers unclenching. You're entering into the gateway of theta. And this is where real change begins. Right here. Now, keeping your eyes closed, just picture this. There's a staircase. It's right in front of you. It leads downward, not to a dark place, but to peace and clarity. And as you take each step down, just count silently with each step. 10, 9, 8. With each step, your body relaxes more and more. Your thoughts quiet. Your heart softens. And when you reach the bottom of the staircase, there's a door. It's like it's waiting for you. And you open it and you step inside. You've now entered theta. Time slows, the world fades. This is where you can start creating your reality. This is your subconscious. This is where the shift happens. You're in the right state. You're in the right place. You just have to feel these words. But first, just picture the relief, the joy, the weight lifted off your shoulders. And just repeat these words with me. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Now, let's just repeat it again. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. We're going to say it 4 more times for a total of 6. And each time, feel the energy shift around you. Now, entering the 3rd time, you're going to feel it deeply in your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. Do you feel it? Let's say it again. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. Do you feel it deeper? You're feeling aligned, calm, magnetic. Breathe in, breathe out. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. Now, breathe in, breathe out. You can feel it in your body. Let's repeat it one more time together. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. Keep in mind, this isn't about repeating magical words. It's about getting into the right state, sending a clear message to your subconscious mind. You're not asking, you're declaring. Now, before you open your eyes, just pause, take one more deep breath, feel that moment of stillness, and quietly just say this to yourself. Thank you for the abundance that is already mine. Thank you for the abundance that is already mine. Thank you for the abundance that is already mine. This is you telling your subconscious mind it's not someday. It's right now. And when you live in that place, when you carry that energy, life starts shifting fast. And when you're feeling ready, you can slowly flutter your eyes open, move your hands, coming back into your body with a smile on your face, deep conscious breathing. And just know that this isn't fluff. This is neuroscience. When you drop into theta, you bypass the gatekeeper of your brain. You bypass your conscious mind. And in theta, your mind is like wet cement. It's ready to imprint anything that you put right into it. And that's why people who use this process are reporting such incredible results, like money out of nowhere, unexpected opportunities, solutions to problems that they've been having for days or weeks or months, and boom, they just get solved. It's not because the universe just like suddenly hears you. It's because you're changing your state. And when you change your state, then you can actually get into your subconscious. And when you really truly get into your subconscious, the shift happens immediately. And this is a shortcut to do exactly that. So when life feels heavy, when doubt creeps in, when stress overwhelms you, or you're just looking for a pick-me-up, come back to this video. Do this every single day, just for the next 21 days, and you will watch your world shift dramatically. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice entering the theta state, and you are going to see your life and your subconscious change dramatically. It's going to reflect in your bank account, your happiness, just the overall feeling you're in, but all the results in your life, from relationships and people that you attract. And if you want help really speeding the entire subconscious reprogramming process up, I recommend you listen to my free success hypnosis before you go to sleep at night. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's my free success hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind and get you deep into theta states so this stuff shifts and works. I originally made it for myself like 10 years ago. At the time I was making $1,500 a month. I just listened to it before I'd go to bed every single night. And within 2 years, I was making $1 million a year. So I started giving it away for free. About 1 million people from all over the world have used it. Every day I get epic stories of people. They get their dream job. They weren't getting any job opportunities or callbacks. And boom, all of a sudden they have a whole bunch. They get a huge jump in their income. They attract their soulmate. All you got to do is listen to it. It's also going to help you go to sleep faster. It's going to help you reprogram your subconscious mind faster as well. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's free. It's linked in the description of this video, or it's pinned as the top comment right there down below, or you can just go to jakeshypnosis.com. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, bell notification if you enjoy it. I'd love to have you a part of the community, and I'll see you on the next video.